Alright, test of the analog. Tester. I usually put the plug on the side and wrap it around and come up over the top. This stays away from the
telemetry connected.
Yes. Oh, no, 25 milliwatts. Oh, I got it all the way down the street on it, 25 milliwatts. Oh, that's 350. Got it. Interesting. Camera behind you, a little bit. Thing, how's that, man? I would have put a little throttle curve on it because it jumps pretty good, pretty quick. Anyway, have to be tested. A couple things that I want to know what you think. If you wreck it a couple times, which is kind of I don't want you to fly it normally, but I want to know if I can trim a little bit off of here. If I can come in, maybe shave another half gram off these inside circles a little bit to allow a little bit more thrust to come through, make it a little bit more efficient, maybe a little less weight. But anyway, I think that's about all I really want to change. Other than that, this being the third one, this is pretty much probably pretty damn close to being the official version. That's really about it. I've already tested the noise and everything, and it's freaking fantastic. But yeah, this little thing was gonna get it. I was nowhere near full throttle pretty much on anything. So anyway, test it good, man. Enjoy. You'll probably have this for a long time. Take care of it.